Okie dokie, my light bulb lovers. Now that you have already learned the facts, it's time to start our journal work. I know you've got your pencil, your crayons, and your journal. So go ahead and let's open up to a new clean page. We always begin with today's date. 2 for February, 19 for today, and our year 2021. We've got the date, check. Now, what are our instructions today? Watch the teacher video to draw, color, and complete the sentence stem. I learned that Thomas Edison ... What did Thomas Edison do? Today, you have to write for me one fact about what you learned. Let's start our sentence stem together. We always have to begin a sentence with a capital letter. Nice. But also, this sentence begins with the letter I. If we ever have I by itself, it has to be a capital letter I. Will you please grab your pencil? Let's go to the first line in our journal and give me a capital letter I. You got that? Beautiful. I, finger space. Our next word says learned. Read it, repeat it, and write it. Learned. Here we go. Ooh. E-A. Learn. E-D says D. I learned, finger space, that. That, finger space. Oh, here's another capital letter T. But why? It's not the beginning of the sentence. Oh, good job. Thomas is a name of a very important inventor. Make sure you start the name Thomas with a capital letter T. Thomas. Check his name. Did you spell it correctly? Uh-oh. Thomas. We're back on. The last name of Thomas is Edison. It also needs a capital letter E. Son. Edison. Check your sentence stem. Everybody, read it with me. I learned that Thomas Edison, period. No, we're not done yet. You have to complete the sentence with what you learned. Once you have a fact of what you learned about Thomas Edison, then you can end it with a period. Now, in case you don't remember Thomas, come over here to this slide and you've got some helpful photos to remind you what this inventor Thomas made. Check him out. He invented a light bulb. Wonderful. Good job. Now you can stay here on this slide to begin your picture. Everyone will need to show me Mr. Edison here and give me some details. Show me what it is he created. What did he invent? What was he working on? We saw in the video his experiments, his different material filaments he was trying, working in his lab. Give me the details today in your picture. What is he working on? What is he using? He's wearing a nice suit and bow tie in all of these photos. Pew! Electricity. We should have some light in your photo. Show me a light bulb that's glowing for 13 hours, remember? Once you have a nice, colorful picture and you have explained to me in your sentence stem what you learned about Thomas Edison, there's a period on the end. You'll be ready to check your journal. You should have a date. You should have a colorful picture. And you have a nice sentence stem, begins with a capital letter I, Thomas Edison, capital letters, and tell me what you learned about him. At the end, don't forget that period. If your journal has all of those things, Then you'll be ready to take a picture and upload to Google Classroom. Thank you for working hard with me today on the light bulb. And I will see you on Monday. Adios, amigos.